So hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So today I want to bring in some more information. This came out last week. Has to do with Honda Motor Company is going to cut production. Now, I guess they were planning to cut production by a third, they were saying. But now the problem with the semiconductors they're having, the chip shortage, and then the COVID-19 lockdowns that are happening overseas, now they're going to shut down, it's saying they're going to shut down 50% on two of their lines in one of the domestic factories. This is starting in May. And it's due to the chip shortage, and then the COVID-19 lockdowns are having it really bad over there. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. So if you guys are on the fence about buying a car, a Honda product, Acura product, anything that Honda makes, you might want to do it sooner than later, because if you guys have been looking, you know that it's been really tough to get stuff. I even dealt with this. And it's only going to ramp up now, and starting in May, they're going to shut down, like I said, 50% on two of their domestic lines. So what that relates to is less parts being available, so it means less cars for the United States. It all trickles down, of course. I've heard of people that have got new cars, like a new Civic or even the new MDX, got in an accident. This is when they first came out, and they couldn't even get parts for it, certain parts, like collision parts for it. And someone I saw on Facebook had this happen, and the Acura actually just bought out the car and gave her a new MDX because they couldn't source enough parts, and they were having to pay for a rental car, and it just wasn't cost efficient. So they just bought a new car for her. So again, if you're on the fence about getting a car, I know the prices are high right now, but I feel like it's either one of two things. You could get a car now, or you have to wait it out for quite some time. I would guesstimate probably the rest of this year will be kind of tight as far as pricing and availability. And as you know, the less available a car is, the more price it's going to bring as well. And I've seen the price gouging left and right, just how much they're charging for cars, not just sticker, but you're talking $4,000 or $5,000 markups on top of just standard cars, nothing extreme. We're talking Civics and Accords, just run-of-the-mill cars that they're marking up so high. So some of the prices I couldn't even believe. So I just want to share that with you guys. If you guys are waiting, maybe thinking this summer it's got to get better, more than likely it's not. It's got to get worse because of this. Like I said, their early indicator that Honda said they were going to do a third. They already planned to do a third in May. That was the beginning of this year. And now they just came out last week and said it's going to be 50% shut down. So it went from a third to 50%. And it could get worse. But you're kind of seeing how things are. It's getting a little bit worse. So my advice to you, if you need a car, I would start shopping now, because once May comes, it's usually weeks behind. So when those shortages start happening more so because of the shutdown, probably June, which would be in the summer, you're not going to be able to get anything. So just want to share that with you guys. Maybe it'll help you guys out. Like I said, if you're on the fence about it, if you're in the market right now for it, maybe this will motivate you to do it now instead of later. Like I said, if you can wait, if you don't really need one, I would probably wait till next year, January, and see how things settle, especially in the winter. Things are sometimes, they're easier to get some deals on, I would say. In the summer, it's a bigger time for manufacturers to sell cars, and especially with this, they're going to get a premium for the cars. So, like I said, I just want to share the information. Let me know if you guys already knew about that and what your guys' plans are. Are you guys planning to buy a car? Are you kind of looking at the new Accord refresh, or not the refresh, the redesign? I heard that might even get pushed back now on top of that too. So just want to hear you guys' thoughts. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. I'll have another video coming up very shortly. I appreciate all the support you guys are giving me. I really do. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.